In the heart of Bahia, where nature paints the masterpiece every day, lies Casa da Luz. Here, comfort and tranquility intertwine, creating a haven of elegance and peace. Casa da Luz is a testament to architectural brilliance. Local craftsmanship meets modern design, creating a symphony of form and function. The house respects its surroundings, built around existing vegetation, each block carefully positioned to preserve the natural beauty. The central atrium, inspired by an oriental garden, is the heart of Casa da Luz. Here, the vibrant colors of nature dance with the serenity of the space. Light becomes a character, playing through the panels, creating a constantly evolving spectacle. The social block is an invitation to connect. Generous use of glass creates a sense of openness, blurring the lines between interior and exterior. Here, laughter mingles with the sounds of nature, fostering a feeling of freedom and togetherness. Light is a constant companion at Casa da Luz. It dances through cracks in windows, transforming the space throughout the day. Sunrises paint the rooms with a golden glow, while the afternoon sun creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Every glimpse is a fleeting masterpiece. The suites are sanctuaries of tranquility. Oriented towards the sunrise, they offer breathtaking views of the native forest. Every detail is designed for comfort, with a touch of religious syncretism evident in the oratories carved into the walls. Here, one can truly find a space for introspection and renewal. Nestled amidst the tranquility of nature lies a small chapel, a space dedicated to reflection and inner peace. Here, one can connect with a sense of higher purpose, completing the holistic experience that Casa da Luz offers. Casa da Luz is more than just a house, it's an experience. It's a place where nature whispers its secrets, where light dances a captivating ballet, and where tranquility reigns supreme. Here, amidst the breathtaking beauty of Bahia, you can find